morning, guys. Gary, VW Jawbreaker. Just wanted to take a quick minute and run over a couple things with you real fast. First and foremost, it is Christmas. So due to that, I'm going to be spending more time with the family, less time out here in the garage, and we definitely got a few things to take care of, guys. With that being said, I've never once claimed to be a know-it-all, never once claimed to be an expert. I'm just simply sharing my experiences with you. That's right, with you guys. Without you guys, I would not be doing this. I've been wrenching long before I started posting videos. And it's because of you subs. It's the reason I do it. We learn together. We're a community. That's right. Volkswagens are awesome. But without the community, it's not as awesome. It's less. Does that make sense? Follow me. Come on. It's been a long day. So for the new subs, I greatly appreciate it. I want to encourage everybody, please drop your comments down below, regardless of what they are. Okay? I am very open-minded, and I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the dialogue and getting to know people. You'd be surprised how much you can learn just from reading comments sometimes. If you don't like the way I'm doing something, or don't like the way something looks, or you agree with what I'm doing or disagree with what I'm doing, let me know. I'm not going to get mad. Not going to block you. I don't care. I would like to know what you're thinking. And see, that gets me thinking. Sometimes I'm doing something that's just, I don't really know any other way, or this just seems the best, until I start reading you guys' comments. That's a winner. That's right. So without you, I'm less. And we're supposed to be here to build each other up and to make each other better. So, I wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We've got a little less content to put out right now, spending more time with the family. So with that being said, 2020, we're going to kick off with a bang. Something's clicking in the new 1915. So we're going to tear it apart together. And I've got some parts coming on the way that's going to make it this 1915 not a 1915. What am I going to do? So stick around, guys. Like I said, we're going to have some fun. I got a lot of great ideas for 2020. Just wanted to make a short video and tell you how much I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And again, Merry Christmas. Have a safe, happy holiday. Be kind to one another. And until the next time, you guys, be good.